Hi everyone, so I've resprayed these two hubcaps as you can see, and something really bad happened where this paint apparently hadn't dried properly, and I piled this one on top and it scratched it with the clips. So I was going to actually have these on my bike trailer once it's finished, but I realised I've got about 10 or 15 million sets of them for my bike trailer and stuff, and I don't really need any more. And these two hubcaps are damaged anyway, so I thought I'd put these two on the left hand side of my dad's van and see how long they last. So let's just cut these off. There we go. It can be a bit difficult to remove, so there you go. And this one is going on here. I don't want to scratch the paint anymore. So there you go. They're really loose, so I'm pretty sure he's going to lose these soon. Then there's this makes the van look terrible.